Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Okay, thank you to all my viewers for your love and support. I appreciate you all. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very simple face mask you can use this summer to glow. This is very simple. It's things, the ingredients you can find it in your kitchen. Okay, you need orange tea, but you can use any orange or any tea of your choice. Then you'll be needing honey. After that, you'll be needing a bowl to prepare the face mask. Then you'll be needing hot water to activate the tea. You know it's a tea, so you need hot water. Do very simple. Then take one sachet of the tea, cut away the obstacle. Okay, after you cut it out, you now pour the tea into that small bowl. Okay, after you pour it, you now take one big spoon and pour hot water to the tea and turn it. That is the only thing you need to do to this face mask. Very glowing, very good. It make your skin to glow. Okay, after you pour the hot water, you now turn it. Then you put it just little bit of honey. Then you turn it very well. After you turn it very well, you now apply it to your skin. Okay, very efficient. This face mask it works. It makes your skin pump. It makes your skin to glow. Okay, so without wasting time, without talking so much, I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video until I see you.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah.
So guys, after applying the glow face mask on my face, I left it on my face for 20 minutes and I wash it out. And this is my face after washing the product out of my face. And as you can see how my face is glowing. Gosh, see, my face is glowing. What you see me spraying on my face is just green tea. Okay, I made it and I put it in the refrigerator to cool down. This is only green tea. I made it and it acts like a toner on my face. So refreshing. So this is me after the glow face mask. Okay, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.